Hey there. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how you can convert Bitcoin to cash. Let's get started. Converting Bitcoin to cash involves a few simple steps. First, you need to find a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. Then, create an account, sell your Bitcoin, and withdraw the funds to your bank account. Let's break it down. Step 1. Find a reliable exchange. Look for well-known exchanges with good reputations. Some popular options include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Bitstamp. Choose one that suits your needs. Step 2. Create an account. Sign up on the exchange website. You'll need to provide your personal information, verify your identity, and set up two-factor authentication for security. Step 3. Sell your Bitcoin. Once your account is set up, go to the Sell or Trade section. Choose the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell and specify the currency you want to receive. Step 4. Withdraw your funds. After selling your Bitcoin, you'll have cash in your exchange account. To access it, go to the Withdraw or Transfer section. Enter your bank account details and submit the request. Make sure to double-check your bank account details for accuracy. The exchange will process your request, and the funds will be transferred to your bank account. Here's a bonus tip: some exchanges offer alternative withdrawal options like PayPal or prepaid debit cards. Check if these options are available on your chosen exchange for added convenience. That's it. Converting Bitcoin to cash is a straightforward process. Just remember to choose a reliable exchange, follow the steps, and keep your account secure. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching, and happy converting.